stopped for the night. Been riding all day long. Shadow. Anyway, I've been riding all day long. It was hot today. Man, it was so hot. I thought going north it'd cool off. It hasn't cooled off at all. I'm burning up right now, soaking wet. See. Anyway, I found me a spot to camp tonight. Shouldn't have any trouble. Right by the river. It's there's a boat dock about, I don't know, 1,500 feet that way, and I found a little path where people's been coming back here. Let me just turn around and I'll show you. It's going to be tonight's camp. I got the bike unloaded. Let me cool down before I put my cover on it. Exhaust and everything's hot, so I'm going to let it cool down. There's the camp. Got it in the shade. Not much air blowing right here, but I feel like I'm out of the way. I don't think anybody even know I'm here. But anyway, let's go over here. I'm not going to go out in the sun because I am cooked. Been on that bike in the sun all day, just frying. I'm so glad. Believe it or not, much as I love this, I'm so glad to be off the road right now. But I came in, if you go that way, about 1,500 feet, not very far. I can hear people over now. There's a public boat dock. And I'm not sure what river this is. Mississippi, I think. Let me think about that. No, it might be the Missouri. I don't know. I'm north of Alton, Illinois. Probably about an hour north of it. I'm really not 100% sure what river that is. But back to what we was talking about. I came in way over here on the other side of the woods. I came in down a little public road. Seen the sign that said boat ramp, so I always check out boat ramps. It stopped, of course, at the river, over there. Then I noticed a path. People's been coming back here and coming this way. Which I looked at this, it don't look like anybody's been right here for some time. But anyway, so I come on back here and scoped out the woods and seen this little clearing right over here. So I got my bike up in here. And the wind is blowing like 60 mile an hour out there, but it's in the blazing sun. And plus I'd be exposed over there. As much as I would like to be by the water, I'd be too exposed and right in the blazing sun. Here it's shady. That breeze ain't really making it in here, and I'm paying for that. But this camp here, I didn't get it all. I got some of it, but I got all my gear out, or at least what I'm gonna get out tonight. I didn't get a sleeping bag or nothing out. I don't think I'm gonna need it. Got my mat, 2 mats to lay on. Of course, I got my coffee stuff out here, fixing to make me some coffee. I know it sounds crazy, but I want coffee. But yeah, this is gonna be camp tonight right here. Gonna go turn in early tonight. As soon as it cools off, I'm gonna turn in early and take it easy. That little sun beat me up today. But don't plan on getting up early. Probably 7, 8 o'clock, something like that. I don't know. Man, I'm sorry, people. I'm roasting. But anyway, probably get up and make some breakfast, drink a little coffee, and just relax for a bit. And I'm in no hurry. As long as I get on the road by 10 o'clock, that should be good. I've got plenty of time to get where I'm going. I got there's 6 or 7 days, so yeah, I'm in no hurry at all. Yeah, this is gonna be camp, so appreciate y'all coming along with me, and hope you're enjoying the ride. And I know I am, even though there's still another 3.5 hours of daylight today. I can't do it. It's too hot. The sun, I can see I'm all red. The sun beating on me and heat coming off the motor there of the bike. It's just too hot. I had to park it. But anyway, I think I'm gonna end this video right here. Pick it back up tomorrow. I'll try to get this one uploaded tonight, or I gotta sneeze. I feel it coming. But I'll try to get it uploaded tonight, maybe if not tomorrow night. I don't know how good the service is here, but I'll get it up as soon as I can. And yeah, if you want to contact me, someone was asking me. A lot of you already know, but my email is always in the description down below. So that's the best way to get a hold of me. But other than that, I think I'm gonna end it right here. Hope y'all having a great Labor Day weekend. Hope you've been safe. I've been having fun dodging all them crazy people out there. But yeah, I think I'm gonna shut her down right here. I'm all shirt ripped. Anyway, yeah. Hope y'all have a great day, great night, whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you next time. God bless you. I walked out here to the road that I came in on. Like I said, boat ramps that away. I came down this dirt road. Some of the boat traffic has died down, so I come out here to see if you can see my camp. Yeah, there's no way nobody's gonna know I'm back there. That's the path I went in on, and I'm like in that general area right there. So yeah, we're good. As long as I don't have a bunch of lights on. Well, I had to look for a second. I thought you could see it, but no, you can't see it. And I even know it's there and where it's at, and I still can't see it. So yeah, we're golden. As long as I keep the floodlights off tonight, nobody's even gonna know we're back here, unless they come down this path. You know, they drive back here. Because right there, when we get right here, we were standing out there in that dirt section. When we get right here, my cover on my bike starts showing up. And it's kind of reflective, so if it's nighttime, and you know, they got headlights on or something, it'll light up like a Christmas tree. And you still, my tent's right there. There's a tarp, there's a tent. You can see it, but it's not super noticeable. But once I get this far and see my bike, they're gonna know I'm here. But anyway, I think we're good. All right, I just wanted to show you that. I know you can sleep better tonight now, knowing that my tent's hard to see.